everyone, it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, I would really appreciate if you take a moment and check out the rest of my videos after this video. And if you like them, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because why not? And if you're an existing subscriber, hi, welcome back. How are you? Today's video is inspired by a lot of you guys. Excuse me. Today's video is inspired by a lot of you guys and your comments. You guys keep asking me what lipstick I'm using. Not just here, everywhere, like on Snapchat, Instagram. I thought why not make a whole video on all the lipsticks that I use. Actually no, I only use like 2 or 3 lipsticks. That would not be a good video. But I own like 14 lipsticks. I'm gonna show you all my lipsticks that I own currently, and you can choose whichever you want and whatever you think would suit you. Just a side note, I love lipsticks. I have really, pale lips without a lipstick, so lipsticks are kind of like my go-to thing. I will not apply anything but apply a lipstick and that'll be it. But now that we have to wear masks, I don't even apply that. So yay. Before we start, I need to erase this lipstick because I was shooting something else before this video. I have everything ready here, so a lip balm. So I'm not very enthusiastic when it comes to makeup, so I do not have like a wide range of colors in lipsticks. It's mostly just corals and peach and occasional. So if you're looking for like blue, purple lipsticks, you're not gonna get here. So I'm starting with my oldest lipstick. This is from Lotus Herbals. So old, the label on it is Please, come on. Bestie, please focus. It's been 5 minutes and I'm not able to get my camera to focus on this product, so that really sucks. Anyway, so the label is all erased, so I cannot tell you what color it is. I will find out and put it here. So it's a very peachy color. Why do I have this lipstick? Because my mom uses this company. This is Lotus Herbals, and my mom has a lot of lipsticks from this, and she gave one to me, and then I liked that a lot, and then I bought another for myself. It's a semi-matte lipstick. It's not matte, it's not even glossy or anything. It's normal, a creamy lipstick. It's very peachy, just like how I like it, and I have used it for a long period of time. But one thing about this is this doesn't stay at all. Like, you need to apply this again and again. If you ate something or anything, it will just vanish like a normal lipstick, and it's cheap also, so it's, I think, fine. So my next lipstick is, I don't know why all these old lipsticks have everything erased. Oh my god, is this Colorbar? I'm pretty sure this is Colorbar. This is Colorbar in 001 Expose. It's a nude lipstick, peachy nude. I've used this a lot and I still use it sometimes. I don't use this fully. I use it as a base for some other lipstick because it's too light for my liking. It's nude, so this is also very creamy, but it stays like it's nice in that way. Third lipstick is from Maybelline. I have ordered it a few months ago actually. It's just a teaser from Maybelline, the Creamy Matte collection. Package is great. It looks peachy. You would assume this would be the color, but the color is kind of this. Please focus. My humble request. Yay! Okay, so this is the color. Why didn't they make the box that pink? Anyway, so this is the color of the lipstick. This is creamy matte kind of thing. The problem about this lipstick is that I've used it like once or twice and it's broken. Like, it's please. I know, I have seen 5-minute hacks for, fixing a lipstick, but I'm too lazy to do that. I don't even use this lipstick that much. I'm just gonna This is also a color that I do not like. I do not like it. Sometimes what happens is I order things from Nykaa, especially lipsticks, and I see what it looks like on their bottles or whatever, but I cannot, guess it, how it will look on me, and then I order them and then they look absolutely atrocious. The next lipstick is, I didn't buy it. It came for free with a Makeup Revolution palette that I bought recently. This is one of those lipsticks which are not what they look like, so another disappointment for me, but I didn't order it. So it's a nude once again, but as you can see, it's really light. This is something I will never wear, but I appreciate their choice. It's matte lipstick crush. Color is 111. When I saw the color number, I was like, hello, because I believe in angel numbers a lot, and I was like 111, yay. I was just happy to receive it as a gift. I'm gonna cherish it. I'll show it to you how it looks. This is my first time using it, by the way. It looks like a concealer on me. It matches my skin tone. This is not it. It smells great. It smells like, you know, those erasers which didn't do shit, but we all had them. You know which ones I'm talking about? They came in like different shapes and colors and sizes. Next one is this Lakmé 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lipstick and Lip&cheek color. Ugh! Lakmé 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip&cheek color. We all have seen the ads. We love this range. It's a blush, it's a lipstick, but I am so stupid. I bought this from a store actually, and I still couldn't buy a right color. This color sucks. Like, this is a cream lipstick. I love the lipstick though. It's very nice, but this is just not my color. What I wanted was little coral. This is kind of in the nude territory. This is super, you know, velvety and comfortable, super creamy, and smells like candy. Halfway there, guys. The next lipstick is Foces Canada Ultime Pro in Flirty Pink. This lipstick I have used as a blush for a long time. You can see it's done. It's seriously done. This was given to me by Ashi Khanna when I was at her house like 2 years ago. She was like, she doesn't use this color, so she said that it might suit me, and it kind of did. I mostly use it as a blush only because it's a very nice pink color. It's very, you know, soft and creamy and velvety. Okay, the next lipstick is, I recently bought it 2 or 3 months ago. This is from Lakmé 95 Prime Matte Lipstick. I love these lipsticks a lot. I used to own a few of these before, but they're not here. I didn't bring them. They might be in my different purses because I take them along and then I just keep it in my purse and never put it back in my makeup bags. I have never used it because this is too bright. It's almost orange. I ordered a coral lipstick. It's also called Coral Date, but it's too orange and I didn't really like it. So when I apply it, just let me know if I should apply it more. By the way, they are like super matte but not at all drying or anything, so really shout out to this formula. My next 2 lipsticks are really nice and I use one of them a lot these days. Like, this is the one I use almost every day, and this is the one everyone has been asking me about. This is Foces Canada's lipstick. I ordered these 2 in an offer. They're like mini lipsticks and they came in like a gift pack together. It was kind of cute. This is called Peach Candy. It's a powder matte lipstick and it looks like this. It's a perfect color. It's not too light or not too dark, and it's peachy, just how I like it. That's why I use it every day. It's not too bright, it's not too neonish or whatever. So yeah, love this. Shout out to Foces Canada. Now the next lipstick is from the same set. It's Foces Canada's Subtle Mauve. I used to call it Mauve, which makes sense, but it's called Mauve because I saw Olivia Rodrigo say Mauve because she was using one of these colors. She wasn't using a Foces Canada lipstick, guys. She was using a glossier lipstick or something, but she said Mauve.
It's like a little mauve thing.
I am so stupid. It's actually called Mauve, and she said it like how we say peach, peachy. So she meant mauve, mauve, and I thought she said mauve. This is so embarrassing. Oh god. Anyway, so this is a very nice mauve color. It's a maroon and brown mix sort of situation. It's not exactly my style, but it came along with the peach candy thing. But it's not bad. It's nice. This is very, you know, dark, e-girl kind of color. Almost all my lipsticks are having this shine in my lower lip. That's because I'm sitting in front of a window. Excuse me. That's because I'm sitting in front of a window and it's shiny. I like shiny things. And let me tell you, this mattifies in like a few minutes, but I don't have that much time to wait because guys, it's already it's 5:15 p.m. The next lipstick is really glamorous. Like, it's from Sephora. It's a red lipstick. It's in the shade 01. Out of a million red colors, I was finding my perfect red color, and I think this is my perfect red. It's almost about to finish, so since it dries like really fast, there's like no room for any mistakes. I usually mess it up because I don't use a liner. So this is the red lipstick, my favorite thing in the whole world. I think this one complements my colors so much. This is the only red lipstick that I love. It's the only red lipstick I own. I just saw 11:11 on my camera timer. I think everyone deserves a red lipstick that suits them, and I'm lucky enough to find my color. I hope you find yours too. It's velvety, it's not uncomfortable at all. Why I keep saying uncomfortable? Because I'll come to really uncomfortable lipsticks next. But this lipstick gets like 100 out of 10. I don't even want to take it off because it was kind of expensive and I just wasted it. Like, I at least want to click a picture in this lipstick because it's so... There was a time I was absolutely crazy about these lipsticks because these came around the time when Kylie Jenner launched her lipsticks and I couldn't afford those, so I bought these instead. That's when I bought a lot of these lipsticks. Right now I just have two. This is kind of an old lipstick and this one is pretty new. It's the shade Assertive. It's a dark peachy color. I actually kind of like it. It's not bad at all, but I feel they dry my lips a lot. My lips are fine. They are not chapped at all, but when I apply these lipsticks, suddenly my lips start flaking out. I love this color though. So this is Assertive in Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink. You can see this color is lovely and it dries in 5 seconds. You see what it does? It's too drying. That's what its problem is. Otherwise, the shades are super good. They have a lot of shades to choose from. It's great for, you know, if I have to just apply it for like 2 or 3 hours to click pictures and for the videos and everything. It looks great, so I have no problem using it. I wouldn't recommend it for all day long kind of thing. My lips have started dying. The next one is from the same range, Superstay Matte Ink, but it's the color Ruler. This is kind of old. I have used this a lot and I have gotten a lot of compliments. Also, I guess it's a maroonish brown shade. I think it's mauve. As you can see, this color also suits me a lot. You can see my lips have started drying already. Like, I didn't apply a lot of it because I hate to take it off. Take it off. And last but not the least, my most expensive yet useless product. No, it's not useless. I actually use them sometimes. These are Huda Beauty glosses. I bought them kind of recently. I had them in my Nykaa haul. They are super pretty looking bags. They are amazing. They came together in a gift box. That's the only time I buy expensive things when they are on sale. This is my first Huda Beauty purchase. I also have a palette that I broke. So let's not talk about it. It hurts my heart. These shades are Sugar and Spice and everything nice. They're very glittery and shiny, but I basically use them on the top of my lipstick. So I'm applying a light color on my lips first so you can see the gloss effect. Everything is already so shiny. So Sugar is kind of transparent and Spice has a little bit of spicy color. It's pretty plain in the Sugar and it's kind of golden in Spice. So let's see how Spice looks like. I'm not using a lipstick under it. I'm obviously not a very gloss loving person. I love mattes. They don't go with my vibe. But all in all, these glosses are cute. They are very shiny. I had so much fun doing this video today, but my lips didn't have that much fun. They're actually kind of burning, so please leave a like on this video. They will feel better. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That will mean the world to me. Let me know in the comments which lipstick you liked the most. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back with something else next time. Till then, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.